Hello kids, meet Bunny and Bird. Let's enjoy a fun story together.
Hello! Hello! I am Bunny. I love to hop.
Hello, I am Bird. I love to fly.
Why are you crying?
I am hungry and I have no food.
Don't worry. Here is some food for you.
Wow, thank you, Bunny. You are so kind.
Let's be friends.
Yes, I'd love that.
Yay! Friends forever. Be kind.
Help others.
Bye-bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe for our next video.
Yes, please do.